Despite the fact that every woman goes through menopause, there is not enough research. Anna says our scientific understanding of menopause is vastly limited due to the lack of data. Menopausal changes are correlated with women's cardiovascular, cognitivity, and overall health, so a database will allow us to better understand this connection. The shorter days are a sign to trees to begin to prepare for winter. During winter, there is not enough light for photosynthesis to occur, so as the days shorten throughout autumn, the trees begin to close down their food production system and reduce the amount of chlorophyll in their leaves. Misinformation is everywhere. It can be spread inadvertently if people make a genuine mistake. In today's environment, people get much of their news from social media, which lacks gatekeepers and therefore allow misinformation to spread fact and wide. People are being bombarded with information and it has become difficult for them to separate fact from fiction. Many scientists examining human impacts on coastal ecosystems have focused on agriculture runoff because fertilizers that wash into the sea carry massive amounts of nutrients and pathogens that can harm marine environments. But the impacts of human sewage receive far less attention. Part of the reason may be that, unlike trash or oil spills, sewage can be invisible in the water. Travel planning is all about the details, but while you may be a master of uncovering the cleanest hotels and practicing proper airplane etiquette, there an element of being a guest that stumps even the savest of travelers. Tripping etiquette, who is to tip and how much of a tip to give can be confusing. The geosphere includes all the stuff that makes up the crust and the core of the earth, and everything natural and lifeless that makes up the surface of the earth. Examples are all the rocks and sand particles from dry land to those found to the bottom of the oceans. The geosphere undergoes infinity processes constantly, which in turn modifies other spheres. Minerals are important for your body to stay healthy. Your body uses minerals for many different jobs, including keeping your muscles, heart, and brain working properly. Minerals are also important for making enzymes and hormones. Most people get the amount of minerals they need by adding a wide variety of foods. If the intake is not enough, doctors may recommend a mineral supplement. Technological advances are eliminating the need for banking tailors, threatening an entire point for women into the male dominated industry, which has sought to promote more females to leadership roles. While the climb remains steep, some financial companies have managed to improve the gender balance in the executive ranks. As tailor jobs dwindle, there are risks that banks will raise the educational requirements for those jobs. The root systems of vegetative cover hold soil in place and prevent wind and water erosions, and also ensure its supply of organic matter from dead leaves and the dropping of animal waste. The vegetative cover also shelters the soil from excessive heat from the sun. It helps to reduce evaporation and retain soil moisture needed for the breakdown of organic matter. The world's fifth largest continent, Antarctica, is almost entirely covered by ice 2000 meter thick. The area sustains varied wildlife including seals, whales, and pigeons. The Antarctica Treaty signed in 1959 and enforced since 1961 provides for international governance of Antarctica.